Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to make a video for you about my content creator recommendations at this point in time on my content journey. So I'm just going to show you guys a few things that I use that have made creating content a lot easier for me. So if you're interested, keep on watching. So the first thing I want to show you guys is I had recently upgraded from an iPhone 11 to an iPhone 14 for the camera, and let me tell you, it was worth every penny. I actually ended up trading in my iPhone 11 and used that as credit towards the iPhone 14, so I actually didn't have to pay anything additional for it, which is awesome. But honestly, the camera on the iPhone 14, in my opinion, is comparable to the camera that I'm filming on right now, which is the Sony ZV-1F, which I will also show you in a minute. As long as you know what settings to use on your iPhone, you really don't even need a actual camera if you're getting started on your content journey. I would just definitely recommend at least upgrading to iPhone 14 or iPhone 15, and the camera quality is just so much better, so much better. So that's the first thing that I wanted to tell you guys. The next thing I wanted to tell you guys was that whenever you do start your content journey, or even if you're already on your content journey, if you are storing your content, like any videos that you're making, any pictures that you're taking, even if you're not a content creator, if you just like to take pictures a lot and just document your life, consider getting external storage, because if you are saving all of your content on your computer or your laptop, eventually it's going to cause a lot of problems for your computer or your laptop. That's what I have found from my personal experience. So what I have here is, I have an HP, so I got an HP one, and you just keep it plugged in into your laptop or your computer, and this little device actually stores your content. So definitely consider getting one of these if you are going to be saving your content on your computer or your laptop. You don't want to kill your computer. Computers are not cheap, so definitely look into this. And I do want to say, I will leave everything that I'm showing you in this video in the description box below. I do believe I ordered most of this stuff from Amazon, so I'll also leave that linked in the description box below as well. So the next thing I want to show you guys is this gooseneck clip. So this, it's adjustable, it goes up and down, so you can adjust the sizing. You can adjust the sizing so you can clasp it to pretty much like anything, a desk, a mirror, a table, whatever it is, it'll fit. You'll be able to do it through this. And then this is adjustable this way. You can put your camera this way, or you can twist it and film it from this way. I like this. I use this like clothing hauls, and what I would do is I would clamp this to a mirror, and then I would put, kind of like how it is right now. Well, no, I would put this on the top of the mirror and then adjust this kind of like in a S shape. It's kind of stiff, but I put this in like a S shape, and then so like this would be on the top of the mirror and this would be coming down, and then this right here would hold my camera. That way I could see myself and it's in frame, and I don't know, it just made it a lot easier for me versus using like a tripod. So I definitely recommend one of these. Also, it's really easy to transport. You can just kind of like fold it up a little bit and like stuff it in a bag so it's not all big and bulky. So I've had this for years, and I use it to make nail content as well. So I use it for a lot of different things. It comes in really handy for me, and it was pretty inexpensive, so I would definitely consider investing in one of these. Also, probably the best thing that I'm about to show you guys is this little card reader. Okay, so it looks like this. This is how it comes. It has an iPhone adapter. Okay, so it fits in your iPhone, and this you can actually put your SD cards in. So like I've been having issues with my laptop, and what I've been doing lately as of recently is I have been recording on my camera and then taking my SD card out of my camera, putting it in here, and then putting it into my cell phone and editing my videos and uploading them through my cell phone, which is honestly, it's made my life so much easier because of all the issues that I was having with my laptop. And I'm just not, I don't use the laptop enough, I feel like, for me to invest another, you know, $1,000 in getting another laptop right now. So this honestly is the next best option. The editing software I use on my cell phone is called Videoleap, and I have no complaints with it whatsoever. This has made my life so much easier. And this is from Amazon, and it was only a couple dollars. So if you're someone who doesn't have a laptop or a computer, but you want to start filming, this is all you need right here. This little sucker right here. It has changed editing for me completely. Like I was really, that's why there was like, if you go back on my channel, you'll see that I posted like 2 or 3 videos, and then there was like almost a year, like 6 months to a year of a gap. And that's because I was having so many issues with my laptop and I couldn't figure out what it was. And I was trying to, I still wanted to film on my camera because I had just spent like $800 on my camera. And my cell phone was an iPhone 11, so the quality on that was crap. So there was a period where I wasn't uploading anything on my YouTube. So, but since I've gotten this, this is what I've been using to edit all of my stuff. I've been editing it on my cell phone. So, yeah, I will leave this, like I said, I'll leave all of this stuff in the description box below. The next thing I have for you is this right here. So I initially got this for my car so I could record, but I actually found that you can use this also you can put it up on your mirror in your bathroom if you're going to be filming content in your bathroom, like your nighttime routine or your morning routine or a makeup get ready with me, hair get ready with me. You can actually suction this to your mirror and it will stay on, and you can just screw your camera on here, or you can change this piece and use a cell phone. It came with other attachments. I'm not sure where they're at right now because I've had this for a little while. But yeah, so this is the one that I use currently, and it adjusts, like you can move it all around. It has, you know, the little balls so you can like turn it and rotate it so you can adjust it and film it, you know, however you need to. But this little thing, yeah, this is good. I actually filmed I think it was like a get unready with me or like nighttime skincare routine or something like that for Instagram, and that's what I used. So it worked out perfectly. Definitely consider getting one of these if you're into stuff like that. The next thing I have to show you guys is this tripod I got from Amazon, and it is a very sturdy tripod. I do really like this tripod. I use it a lot, but it is a lot to like carry around with you. That's why I said like maybe consider investing in one of these. Obviously it depends on the kind of content that you're trying to get. If you're just like going out to take pictures, you could probably invest in like a smaller tripod, a lighter tripod, or if you don't care, it's fine. I mean, it's not like it's heavy, it's just a little bit bulky, and this is it broken down to like the smallest it can possibly get. You can obviously change the pieces. Again, I have had this for a while, so I don't even really remember what it all came with, but this piece holds my cell phone and it holds my camera. These legs go out really far. There's 3. So, I mean, it's pretty standard, and it's actually a very secure tripod. So you can see how tall it actually gets. It gets really tall, and it's adjustable. And then even with the legs, if you need it taller, this up here adjusts to, you can always extend it that way as well. So it gets really tall, as well as it's very sturdy. So I would say definitely invest in a good tripod. It's got a handle for you to like lug around. So definitely worth it. I use it all the time. The next thing I'm going to show you guys is actually the main thing that I use to record my nail content. So like this usually stays at my nail suite, and I know it's just like a cell phone holder, but this adjusts, and what I do is I'll actually put my phone on it and I'll just like tilt it a little bit. So it's kind of like over my client's hand, and then with it sitting on the desk, I'm able to still see my client's hands like looking over it, and with my client's hands being in frame. So this is actually what I use to create my nail content, for those of you that were interested. I know I did have someone ask me that. But yeah, this is what I use. It's just a cell phone holder. It's really simple. It's basic, but it works really well actually. There's like no weird, I found that whenever I was using this gooseneck for creating nail content, because this is what I was using originally for nail content, because it has such a large range of like where it can go, I felt like all of my content wasn't ever like set up the same. Where like with this, I know where I put it on my desk, and it can only go so far. It can only extend so far, and it can only bend so far. So I feel like with using this, the content, it's more similar. Like the videos are more, the setup is similar every time. It's the same. Like it's not from a bunch of different angles. It's always from the same angle, which creates consistency and makes my videos look better. So I actually do prefer to use this for creating my nail content. And then the last thing I wanted to show you guys was this. I actually got off, oh no, not the last thing, this is the second to last thing, was I got one of these face trackers. So basically you set it up, it holds your phone or your camera, whatever. This is what it looks like off of the spinny thing, but this is how it comes, right? So it's got the charging port, it comes with the little USB cord. So you put your camera in here, and it's adjustable. Obviously you can like adjust it and move it around. It has a lot of range. And then what you do is you hit the power, and this little light will cut on. It might need charged. Yeah, this little light will cut on, and then like if you stand in front of it, it will track your face, and anytime, once you sit on the table, anytime that you move, it will follow you. You see it's moving as I'm moving. It's pretty cool. So if you're someone who, like, I know I use this at my suite as well. Whenever I'm doing like a cleanup after my client, or get ready for my next client, or whatever little cutesy video I'm recording for Instagram and TikTok, I usually use this, and it kind of just like follows me around my suite. So I don't have to manually get up and change the positioning of my camera every time. And this little thing was so cheap. I think it was like $30 some. But I also got this off of Amazon. So I'll leave it linked under I'll leave it linked under my description box as well. So, but yeah, that's what it looks like. It does come in different colors. I just got white because, you know, you can't go wrong with white, so. Okay, and then this is the last thing that I wanted to show you guys was my actual camera that I film on. It is the Sony ZV-1F vlogging camera. And I got the vlogging kit, and that included the camera. The case I got separately on Amazon, but the camera, it came with this mini tripod that you can actually like set up if you want. You see, it stands up on its own. You just have to mess with it a little bit. And then the neck is adjustable, so if you need it to go back or go up, you can adjust that. This is the little SD card that came with the camera, so it's not much memory. I just purchased another SD card with more memory on it. It came with that. It came with the charger. I'm trying to think, what else did it come with? I can't really remember. But I do see that they are actually available on Amazon. I got mine from Best Buy, but the price is the same, so I don't think it really matters where you get it from. But I actually really love this camera. It's really easy to use. It's really easy to figure out. I don't even recall like needing to really look at the user manual to figure out how to use it. It was pretty self-explanatory. But I'm gonna show you how to use it real quick. So you just hit the on switch and then like to press play. So that's like the video I just recorded. Let's see. And it's like a little touch screen. So it's just really easy to use. Yeah. Really easy to use. Love the quality. This opens so you can actually see yourself whenever you're recording. Take that off. And let's just record. So now I'm recording. And then this also, you can also like turn it. So you really can see like from whatever angle, you know what I mean? So I love it. I think it's great. And it was affordable in terms of like digital cameras. I think overall I paid around like, I don't know. I think like with taxes and everything included, because I believe I purchased an additional SD card while I was there. I think I paid around like $700, give or take a little bit. I know that's not cheap, but for me it was worth it because I really wanted to start like my YouTube. So yeah. So that's all that I have for you guys today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video or at least found it somewhat helpful. If you guys have any questions about any of the stuff that I mentioned in this video, please feel free to leave any comments or questions down below. And thank you guys for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel before leaving. And thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next one.